Hey everyone, all right, today is a good day because for lunch I am going to have a sweet potato pie today. I have my sweet potatoes baking in the oven. I'm going to use a shortbread crust because I couldn't find a pie crust. It was either graham or this, so I went with the shortbread. Okay, hey guys, so I have my potatoes out of the oven. They are baked and they have been in the oven for 1 hour. Okay, so I am peeling these potatoes while they are really hot, but if you'd like, you can let them cool and then just make sure you take out all of the dark spots and cut off the ends. Okay, so now I've taken my potatoes out of the pan and I am just transferring them into my mixing bowl. This is going to make it easy to mix and put everything together. So I am just going to go ahead and add in my stick of butter that I melted on the stove. One full stick, and this is the sweet butter. So here I am adding in a half cup of Domino brown sugar. Here I am adding in a half cup of white sugar. All right, so this is my full cup of evaporated milk. Right there is my teaspoon of cinnamon. I think I added a little bit more than a teaspoon, but it worked out in the end. So I added in a teaspoon of vanilla. I just used the top. And I added in a half teaspoon of nutmeg, just a sprinkle. And then I added the eggs. And I'm just mixing everything together here using the hand mixer. Right here, I've added a half cup of flour. This just helps to hold the pie together. And just giving everything a good mix. I was definitely tasting this pie to make sure everything was good, and it is. So just filling up the crust. And going into the oven. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, this is what I had.